Hi everyone, Ironclad Cobra here and welcome to another JSAUX video. Today I'm featuring a really cool product from JSAUX, which is the 11-in-1 USB-C docking station. Let me just mention first a huge thank you to JSAUX for sending this review unit. I really appreciate it. Another two quick notes. The first one, this is not a sponsored video, which means all the opinions in the video are of my own. The second is that there will be an affiliate link in the video description, which means if you click and order the product from the link, it costs you nothing, but I receive a little commission. Okay, let's get started. As you see, this is the unboxing. Let me just get it closer to you. This is the 11-in-1 USB-C docking station. It supports up to 100 watts fast charge, TP 4K, 5 gigabytes per second data transmission. It has two SD card slots, one for regular SD card and one for micro SD card. Gigabit Ethernet, supports up to 100 megabytes per second transfer, HDMI port as well, 4K, and it has also 3.5mm audio out. So that's the front part of the packaging. Nothing here. Feel free to check out their products. JSAUX makes very cool products, especially when it comes to gaming accessories for the ROG Ally, the Steam Deck, the Lenovo Legion Go, you know, whether they are docking stations, sling bags, charging cables, back plates. I've been really huge fan of JSAUX accessories. Nothing on this side as well. The name of the model. Here we have some technical information or specs. As you see, the product name, the technical data. I'll include them also in the video description as usual. Okay, so let's go through the unboxing together. Okay. Cool, simple packaging, minimal packaging by JSAUX. This is the unit itself, or the docking station. Let's see if there are other accessories included in the box. Yes, we do have USB-C to USB-C charging cable with JSAUX branding on it. This is actually the housing shell or the stand as well, and of course this is a very cool design by JSAUX. It has a little ridge here or a clamp that you can clamp the docking station behind your Steam Deck if you wish. It provides you ultimate portability, and then if you see here as well, you can lay it flat, you can lay it standing, however you wish. You can clamp it behind your Steam Deck as well. Beautiful idea, beautiful design. Great job, JSAUX. Okay. What else in the box? We have also quick product information, the guarantee, I think English and Chinese. Okay. And then here we have also kind of a quick manual as well. Some information about the model as well, technical info. And here are the names. So as you see, we'll go through them, when we review the unit itself. Okay. Let's look at the unit itself, or the docking station. Wow, what a compact size. I think this docking station is about 130 grams, which is, quite lightweight, and it's easy, for portability, and it's pocketable as well. It's a must-have for digital nomads or gamers. As you can see, you can remove the labeling here, and then on this side as well. And there you go. So on this side, as you see, we have USB-C charging and host up to 100 watts, PD as well, DP 4K, HDMI 4K 120 Hertz, and then we have a regular USB A port, Ethernet connection up to 1000 megabytes per second. So this is on this side, and then on the other side we have dual USB A ports, 3.0, 5 gigabytes per second data transfer speed. And then we have the TF card slots. We have a regular SD card and we have a micro SD card. And of course this is the 3.5 millimeter audio out. As I said, it's quite lightweight, very cool design. And of course, if we put it in the housing shell, as you see here, I think the brand should be in front, so it should be this way, I guess. Just give me a second. Okay, there you go. Got it. You just insert it in the shell, and there we have it. So, as I mentioned, you can put it flat, you can put it standing, depending on your space capability. But in general, it's a must-have docking station for digital nomads and gamers. So you can use this docking station, for cell phones, for tablet PCs, notebooks as well, x86 handhelds like the Steam Deck, ROG Ally, Lenovo Legion Go, anything that supports up to 100 watts of charging would work on this docking station. Okay guys, I think that would be for today. If you would like to have also an idea of the size as well, I can give you a quick comparison against the Ambernix RG35XXH, and if we put it on it, it's even smaller. This will give you a better idea. It's the same width, but it's even smaller than the RG35XXH. So it's quite easily portable, just to give you an idea. Lightweight design, multiple uses, very good build quality. Okay guys, I think that would be for today. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And always remember, we don't stop gaming because we grow old. We grow old because we stop gaming.